वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल मास्टरिंग कॉमर्स एकेडमी। आज हम पढ़ेंगे जूनियर ऑडिटर या फिर ऑडिट इंस्पेक्टर के पार्ट ए के कंप्यूटर के सिलेबस का थर्ड टॉपिक। फर्स्ट हमने कर लिया है, दैट इज बेसिक्स ऑफ कंप्यूटर। सेकंड के भी हो गए 50 क्वेश्चंस, नेटवर्क एंड इंटरनेट। आज हम पढ़ेंगे यूज ऑफ ऑफिस प्रोडक्टिविटी टूल्स के क्वेश्चंस। लेट्स स्टार्ट। Which of the following is used to merge a standard document with a data source in MS Word? Bookmark, macro, mail merge, formula. So here the correct answer is mail merge. Mail merge is used to combine a standard document like a letter with data. So mail merge is the correct answer. In MS Excel, which function used to count only numerical values in a range? Count if, count a, count sum. So here the correct answer is C, count. What is the extension of PowerPoint presentation file by default in newer versions? .ppt, .pptx, .ppx, .pps. So here the correct answer is .pptx. Which key combination is used to insert a new slide in PowerPoint? Control plus M, Control plus N, Control plus Shift plus N, Control plus Enter. So to insert a जब हम PowerPoint में new slide insert करते हैं that is Control plus M. But जैसे ही हम Word में या Excel में करते हैं that is Control plus N. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, मार्क कर लीजिए। इन एमएस एक्सेल व्हाट इज विल बी द रिजल्ट ऑफ equals to int 5.8. int means integer, so here 6 5.8 5 0. so int function returns the integer part of the number by removing the decimal. ये decimal को remove करके सिर्फ हमें integer दे देता है, so 5 is the correct answer. Next question is, which feature in MS Word allows you to track and review changes made by multiple users? Revision control, commenting, track changes, version history. So allows you to track, that is track changes. Which of the shortcut to bold selected text in MS Word? Control plus U, Control plus B, Control plus I, Control plus Shift plus B. So here the correct answer is B, Control plus B. In Excel, which function will return the current date? That is date, today, open and close brackets, now, current date. So here which will return as current date, that is today. B is the correct answer. What is the function of slide sorter in MS PowerPoint? Add animations, view notes, rearrange slides, insert transitions. So here the correct answer is rearrange slides. Which Microsoft tool is mainly used for managing emails, calendar, tasks? Word, OneNote, Outlook, Publisher. So here the correct answer is C, Outlook. In Excel, which function checks a condition and returns one value if true and another if false? So here is error and, or, if. So here the correct answer is D, if. In MS Word, where is the option to set page orientation? Home tab, Insert tab, Page Layout tab, Design tab. So here the correct answer is Page Layout tab. What does the concatenate function do in Excel? Add numbers, combine text, return average या फिर round value. So it is helpful to combine the text. B is the correct answer. Which of the following is not a valid view in MS PowerPoint? Normal, reading view, slide sorter, outline form. So here which is not a valid view in MS PowerPoint, that is outline form. D is the correct answer. Which key is used to run a slideshow in PowerPoint from the beginning? F1, F5, F2, Control plus S. So here the correct answer is B, F5. Which function in Excel counts blank cells in a range? Count black, is black, black count, empty count. So here the correct answer is count black. What is the default alignment of text in MS Word? Center, right, left, justify. So correct answer is left. Which Excel feature can be used to restrict data entry in a cell? Filter, sort, data validation, conditional formatting. So here the correct answer is C, data validation. In PowerPoint, which feature helps in applying uniform design to all slides? Slide sorter, slide master, template, layout. So here the correct answer is B, slide master. In MS Word, Control plus E is used for left alignment, right alignment, center alignment, justify. So here the correct answer is C, center alignment. In Excel, which chart type is best suited to show proportions of a whole? Line chart, bar chart, pie chart, column chart. So here the correct answer is C, pie chart. Which key combination is used to create a new document in MS Word? Control plus P plus S plus N plus D. So here for new document, that is Control plus N. In MS PowerPoint, the rehearse timings feature is used to edit notes, set auto transition time, record audio, create animation, set auto transition time. B is the correct answer. What is the use of fill handle in Excel? Sort data, apply filters, copy formula or series, format cells. So copy formula or series. In Word, the shortcut Control plus Shift plus open arrow is used to decrease font size, increase font size, center text, justify text. So here the correct answer is B, increase font size. In MS Outlook, what is the purpose of rules feature? Block internet, organize emails, encrypt files, track revisions. So the correct answer is organize emails. In Excel, what will be the formula? Round, that is 3.14, 159, 2 into return. That will give us 3.14, 3.142, 3.1, 3.15. So it gives us return 3.14. Which PowerPoint option lets you insert a table into a slide? Insert greater than shape, design greater than table, insert greater than table, file greater than new. So correct answer is C, insert greater than table. In MS Word, what is the section break used for? Change fonts, insert page numbers, divide a document into parts, start mail merge. So here the correct answer is divide a document into parts. The autocorrect feature in Word is used to track changes, replace common type automatically, insert table, check formatting. So correct answer is replace common typo automatically. Which Excel feature highlights cell that meet a specific condition? Sorting, data filter, conditional formatting, data validation. So here the correct answer is conditional formatting. In Outlook, which component stores email contacts and calendar, etc.? Excel workbook, PST file, Word template, zip file. So here it is PST file. In PowerPoint, how can you prevent a slide from displaying during a slideshow? Hide slide, lock slide, mute slide, slide pause. So A is the correct answer, hide slide. In Excel, which function returns the highest number from a range? Average, minimum, maximum, large. So max, that is max gives the maximum number. Largest numerical value. Which feature in Word allows the creation of a list with bullets or numbering? Outline, numbering, style, indentation. So here correct answer is B, numbering. Which does slide transition means in PowerPoint? Background color, text effects, effect applied when moving between slides, inserting graphs. So here the correct answer is C. In Excel, which symbol is used to make a cell reference absolute? Percent, dollar, and hash. So here the correct answer is dollar. In Word, which tool helps to find synonym of a selected word? Grammar checker, autocorrect, thesaurus, spell check. So here the correct answer is C, thesaurus. Which of the following is not a file extension of MS Office application? .xls, pptx, .docx, .exe. So here the correct answer is .exe. Which PowerPoint feature allows movement of objects in a slide? Transition, slide master, animation, design. So here the correct answer is C, animation. In Outlook, which option allows setting automatic email replies when you are unavailable? Rules, delegate, out of office assistant, filter. So here the correct answer is out of office assistant. In Excel, which function returns the average of a range? Add, mean, average, AVG. So here the correct answer is average. Which is the default file extension of MS Word 2016 document? .doc, .docx, .txt, .wrd. So here the correct answer is .docx. In PowerPoint, what does the format painter do? Copies animations, copies formatting, copies slide layout, copies transitions. So here the correct answer is copies formatting. Which Excel function will you use to get the remainder after a number is divided? Round, mod, divide, hint. So here the correct answer is B, mod. Which of the following is used to apply a predefined design theme in Word? Header, style, theme, font. So here the correct answer is C, theme. In PowerPoint, which tab contains the Smart Art feature? Design, Insert, Review, Animation. So here the correct answer is B, Insert. In Excel, which function will display the current time along with the date? Date, today, time, now. So D, now is the correct answer. Which tool is used in Word to check for grammatical errors? Autocorrect, thesaurus, grammar and spelling, format painter. So the correct answer is C, grammar and spelling. Which option in PowerPoint ensure that your file size is optimized before sharing? Save as, compress media, smart art, design template. So the correct answer is B, compress media. So this is all about today's lecture. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share this lecture.